Hello friends, welcome back. Now in this lecture we will do something very interesting. So we will program these sprites in a way that whenever we click on each sprite, they create a specific music. So let's click on this. If you click here, and if you click on this drum, we can mix the music. So this is the program we'll be building in this lecture. This is going to be really exciting. So see you in the lecture. So for building music, we don't need any sprite. We can build music on backgrounds itself. So we can delete this sprite. Okay. And what I will do is I will open one music file that I have already built. Now here you can see I have an additional section with the name music. If you go to add extension, you will be able to find this section. So you have to go to add extension and here you have to click on music. So once you click there, you will get this library and you will find all these instructions available. So there are very few instructions you can see. And what I have done is I have used some just basic instructions and repeat loops to create some music. Here I have repeated snare drum 6 times, this drum 6 times, then again snare drum I have repeated 8 times along with bass drum. So in the second repeat loop, which is repeating 8 times, I have repeated snare drum and this drum 2. So this 1, 2, these are music instruments. These are different types of drums. So you can click here and you can select any of them. So right now I have selected these two and I have kept a wait of 0.3 second here and 0.3 second here. So this is a very simple way I have created this music. So let's listen to this music. When I will click on this green flag, this music will run. So it sounds like a rock music. So this is how you can generate any kind of music you want. You can change this drum. So let's say we change this drum to this one and let's run it. So you can use any instrument here. You will get a real good music feel. So this is how you can produce any music. Now there are other things also like setting instruments. This is instrument 1. We have around 21 instruments right now here. You can set it to any instrument and you can play that sound. So what I have done is I have made another program here. You can see I have selected note 60, then 62, then 64, then 65, then 67, 69, 71 and 72. So I have selected these specific notes. So these notes will play one by one after 0.25 seconds of gap. So to program these notes, what we can do is we can just click these notes and we can bring it here. This is note 60. Then to make it note 62, you have to click here and change it to 62. Either you can click here or you can write and change the note. So this is how you can put any note. So if I want to change this note to 60, I can click here and it will become 60. So this is a series of notes I have created. I have set it to piano. Now let's run this. If we click on it, it will run. Okay. So this is how you can build any music. Now this was a very basic introduction to music production. We will move on to some advanced features in the next lecture. So this was all about this lecture. We'll see you in the next one.